Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install OCCT testing tool in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google OCCT. We'll be getting the first link from ocbase.com. Click it and here we are having a download option. Select this and our focus is on Windows, and they're having the personal edition, which is the free one. Apart from that, they're having pro, enterprise, and this CMD. All these things are paid. You have to purchase it. The personal one is free, and this is for Windows. If you want to do the same for Linux, you can do that. Here just go with the stable one and select this agreement and click on download. Download will be getting started around 280 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the license. Just click on accept and we'll be getting automatically the OCCT personal interface. If you want to like open it anytime, you can just search it like this. You'll be getting the app and you can simply open it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools.